Hi, this is Brian from Clock Tower, and I'm here to show you how to make the most of your Bitwarden account one step at a time. In the previous step, I showed you how to join your Bitwarden account to your organization. In this step, I'm going to show you how to install the browser extension. Now, Bitwarden works best when you use it as a browser extension because it can store automatically detect your passwords and store them, and it can automatically fill in your passwords and your two-factor authentication codes. And it does that through something called an extension. And an extension is a little application that lives in your browser, and it just allows Bitwarden to interact with the web pages that you open up. So we have instructions linked in the comments on how to install the Bitwarden extension for Edge, Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. But I'm going to show you how to do it with Edge. The other instructions are not all that much different. So we begin by going to the top right of the browser window and clicking the overflow menu. And then going down to extensions and clicking extensions. And we're going to click on Open Microsoft Edge Add-ons Website. So in the add-ons website, we're going to search for Bitwarden. And you're going to see it should be the top. It's called Bitwarden Free Password Manager, and the publisher is 8-Bit Solutions, LLC. The publisher is different for different browsers. I don't know quite why that is, but this is the correct one for Edge. So we're going to click Get next to it. And Edge is going to ask us if we want to add this, and we're going to click Add Extension. And it will download the extension and then install it. Now it'll bring you to this page here, and you can watch this getting started video if you want, or you can just follow along with me in this example. So the next thing we want to do is make it so we can actually see and interact with the extension. So we're going to come up here to the extensions button, which looks like a puzzle piece in Edge. And we'll click that. And you'll see that Bitwarden is now listed as an extension. And we're going to click this thing that looks like an eye with a slash through it. And that's going to show the extension in the toolbar. And you'll see that it appeared up here next to the puzzle piece. Now that we've done that, we could click on that Bitwarden extension. Well, before I do that, let me just close this. So this is what it will look like normally when you open your browser. You'll have this Bitwarden extension showing here. So to sign in, because we need to do that, we just click that gray Bitwarden icon, and we're presented with the login. So I'm going to put Brett's information in here. And I'm going to tell it to remember his email, because it's always nice to not have to type something any more than you have to. And I'm going to click continue. And then we'll use Brett's master password and click login with master password. And now we're logged into the Bitwarden extension, and you'll see that it changed color to blue. There's nothing in here at the moment because we haven't added any passwords yet. But as you use Bitwarden and as it offers to remember passwords for you, this will get populated with additional items. So that's how to set up the Bitwarden extension in Edge. Like I said, we have documentation on how to do this for other browsers linked in the comments or the down below. And the next step will be to customize some of the options in this extension to make this even better to work with.